What's up, print fam? Welcome back to the print shop. I know I just made a video about not getting distracted, about buying stuff and doing stuff, and as patient zero of DNS, I bought some more stuff. Let's show it to you. We bought the BambuLab's X1 Carbon with the AMS, and it is currently printing right now. What's up, print fam? Now, I didn't buy this to be an actual printer for the print shop, even though we've already done a job that has brought in revenue. The reason I bought it, well, I guess I kind of did buy it for the print shop. Regardless, I bought it mainly to print the jigs for the fiber laser because I was using my brother's 3D printers. He's got a couple of them. His have been busy. My nephew's the one that designs them, and it's just been busy. So I bought my own so that I could print them. I bought them so I could print them for myself as well as for you guys. So I do have them available for sale, the jigs that I make, and we will also be offering through my nephew the means to have custom jigs made for you. So we can either design and print them or just design them and send you the, I think it's a CAD file. I don't know how he does it. But we've gone through a few different revisions for the jigs. Right now, we've got the 40 ounce on there. This is for the 30 ounce water bottle. It was a little flimsy. This was the original, so we added more support. This is the back end of, but then we realized that not all the handles are identical. This, I think, is the front of the new 30 ounce tumbler, but I could be wrong because we got them all over the place. We got them, this is the tumbler graveyard, all the ones that we've screwed up. But that's why I got the 3D printer. Now, years ago, I had a monoprice 3D printer, and it was actually one of the very first videos that I think was on this channel. I've since deleted it, it's gone. I've got like a replay of me printing like a polygon Pokemon or something on Time to Make Something Else. I can't even remember why I originally bought it. It was dumb, but this one actually has a purpose. So it's gonna be used to make jigs and different things around the shop. Like you can get on Thingiverse, you can get little hooks that go in the pallet racking so we can hang scissors and tape measures, and it'll print. Right now it's printing a scraper that you use for the 3D printer. I printed a little bucket to catch the filament that it poops out the end. So it's gonna have a lot of fun uses. I definitely went overboard, but as far as 3D printers go, this has been awesome. We've only had it for a day. We've already printed like 5 things, and it just works. When I had my monoprice one, it was a pain to level the bed and go through that process, making sure it worked and would print, and you'd put hairspray on it and different things to make it stick. This just worked. It comes up and tells you if there's errors. You can remote monitor it. It does time-lapse videos. It's just cool. It was more expensive. It was about 1,500 bucks. You can get it for a little bit less if you don't get the automatic filament thing. I opted to do that because if I was spending the money, I might as well spend the money. So I highly recommend it if it's something that you're like, I want to be able to make little doodads or things, or like I said, some jigs. We are going to offer some, so I will have those linked down below. And especially if you have like a recommendation of, hey, can you make a jig for this? We'll probably add it to the option. But as far as like, my brother's got Prusas. My nephew said that this prints way faster. It's way nicer. Really, for me, the biggest thing was I plugged it in, and within 5-10 minutes, it being unboxed, it was printing. Highly recommend it. If you're looking at 3D printers, check out the BambuLabs. I'm not affiliated. I have no affiliate link. I get no commission. I do have other things that give me commissions down in the description. So check those out. Thanks, print fam. See you in the next one.